Hey everyone, and welcome to week 4 of the macroeconomics course. Um, Remember, always check in with me if you are running into problems, and definitely some of you guys have done that so far. I think there was one typo on the GDP worksheet, which I've sort of shown and fixed on the solution. And that worksheet does have a solution set that's up now in the module, so you can go ahead and take a look at that. Um, but this week in Module 4, we are still basically measuring the overall economy, and we are looking at unemployment and inflation this week. So there is your standard content this week is a pretty standard week in terms of what you're being expected to do. There's the soft chalk that you're going to be reading, the different pages, obviously, of the soft chalk, some videos. We've got types of inflation here. Let's see, pick another random page. Yeah, the natural rate of unemployment. There's some great information in this one that'll help you draw a picture of the macroeconomic universe. And if we come down here, you can see that you have 3 small assignments and a little quiz at the end. Again, these 2 of the assignments are, pretty short and easy, and then you've got the macro problem set number 2. So let's take a look at that for 1 second. So for the problem set, you can see that there's, just like with the GDP, there's a little article analysis, and you are basically picking one. And I've made sure to try to pick both liberal and conservative perspectives. And then a couple of questions that you just need to answer. And then if you go to, here is the second assignment. Here you go. This one's really simple. It basically just gives you a couple of scenarios and asking who is hurt or helped by inflation. So pretty straightforward there. And then last but not least, there's a little worksheet on being able to understand real versus nominal values. And so it's sort of an extension of the GDP stuff that we did. We were looking at, the difference between real GDP and nominal GDP. Now we're looking at the CPI, how you calculate it, and how you determine what's happening with prices. And again, there is, going back to converting nominal GDP. So some of this is review, and it should be pretty straightforward. Okay, so again, a couple of assignments, some content. Make sure you're taking notes on the content because it will help you on the assignments and, of course, the quiz. And as always, reach out to me if you have any questions. I hope you have a great week, and best of luck.